Have you ever felt like your smartwatch understands your running routine but gets confused the moment you touch a dumbbell? That might finally change with the Pixel Watch 4. According to a new report, Google is reportedly preparing a massive fitness update for its next smartwatch, and this time, strength training is getting the attention it deserves. Previous Pixel Watch models mostly focused on running, walking, or cycling, offering little to those who spend more time lifting weights or doing gym workouts. But the Pixel Watch 4 might fix that with features designed specifically for people who train for strength. One of the big upgrades could be a workout builder, a tool that might let users create their own custom workouts with intervals, warm-ups, and cool-downs. This kind of personalization could not only help avoid injuries, but also improve how people perform in the gym. What's even more interesting is the potential for real-time feedback during strength exercises, helping people maintain proper form and push themselves safely. For anyone serious about lifting or doing structured gym workouts, this kind of support could make a huge difference. While strength training is getting the spotlight, Google isn't forgetting runners. The Pixel Watch 4 may also offer AI-based running suggestions, along with more detailed run tracking that could include cadence, stride length, vertical oscillation, ground contact, vertical ratio, and ground contact balance. All of these metrics could help runners better understand how they move and make smarter changes to their training. But it doesn't stop there. The smartwatch might also bring improvements for swimming and cycling and better automatic activity detection so it can figure out what you're doing without you needing to tell it. These improvements seem to show Google's deeper push into fitness tech, something it's been trailing behind Apple and Garmin in for a while now. The timing of this leak makes sense because Google is planning an event on August 20th. That's likely when the company will reveal the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro Fold, and the Pixel Watch 4. Although the company hasn't confirmed all of this officially, the details seem to be lining up with previous patterns. Many people have been asking why it took this long for a company like Google to pay attention to strength training. It turns out that tracking these types of workouts with accuracy has always been tough for wearables. But now with more advanced sensors and smart software, things are starting to change. And it seems like Google is ready to finally offer a more complete experience for fitness lovers. The previous focus on cardio-only workouts left out a big part of the fitness world. With this update, it's not just about counting how far you ran, it's about helping people build strength, avoid injury, and get the most out of every session, whether that's with a barbell, a bike, or a swim. This could be the first time a Pixel Watch feels like a real gym partner. If all of this comes true, the Pixel Watch 4 won't just be a new gadget, it'll be a much smarter fitness coach on your wrist. Let's see if Google can deliver this time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates like this.